Can I organize all my makeup in 60 seconds? Challenge accepted. Start the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Go. First, my messy vanity. Products everywhere. Chaos reigns. Lipsticks rolling, brushes scattered, palettes stacked high. I can never find what I need, wasting precious time. But today, I'm testing the Vtopmart 3-tier organizer. Let's see if it can handle my makeup mountain. Unboxing. Clear acrylic, sturdy, and super sleek design. 3 spacious levels plus a smooth sliding drawer. Ready for the challenge? Timer starts. Now, first layer. Lipsticks, glosses, and balms, all visible. Second level. Eyeshadow palettes fit perfectly, no crowding. Drawer slides out, ideal for brushes and beauty tools. Everything has a spot, no more clutter or mess. Stackable design saves space, even on tiny vanities. Clear compartments make every product easy to spot. No more digging for that lost mascara. Placing foundation bottles upright, no spills, no leaks. Organizing blushes and bronzers by shade. So satisfying. Drawer closes smoothly. Anti-slip design keeps it steady. Adding nail polishes fits way more than I expected. High-capacity drawers hold up to 50 lip glosses. Even my 35-color eyeshadow palette fits easily. Every product is visible, no more forgotten favorites. Timer check, 30 seconds left. Can I finish? Grouping skincare, serums, creams, and masks together, sliding in tweezers, scissors, and lash curlers. Drawer track locks, no accidental spills or drops. Stacking organizers for extra storage, so modular. Vertical storage maximizes every inch of space, even fits on my crowded bathroom countertop. Timer, 15 seconds. Almost done. Final touches, arranging perfumes and finishing sprays. Wiping down the clear acrylic. Looks sparkling clean. Everything's organized, dust-free, and easy to access. Timer, 5 seconds, closing the last drawer. Done! Time's up. Let's compare results. Before, chaotic, cluttered, impossible to find anything. After, neat, organized, every product in its place. Facial reaction, jaw drop. I can't believe the difference. No more wasted time searching for products. My vanity looks like a professional beauty station. Products are protected, visible, and easy to grab. Perfect for makeup lovers, pros, and home organizers. Space-saving design fits any vanity or bathroom. Clear acrylic matches any decor, sleek and modern. High-quality, durable material, built to last. Anti-slip drawers keep everything secure and stable. Stackable and modular. Customize your storage setup. Perfect for lipsticks, palettes, brushes, and more. No more clutter. Just pure organization bliss. Ideal for beauty professionals and makeup enthusiasts. Great for home use or salon displays. Easy to clean, just wipe and go. See all your products at a glance. Never forget your favorite lipstick again. Effortlessly switch between looks. Everything's accessible. Saves time every morning. Get ready faster. Maximize your space, minimize your stress. Transform your vanity in under a minute. Ready to upgrade your organization game? Vtopmart 3-tier organizer. Your new beauty essential. Available now on Amazon. Order with Prime for fast shipping. Don't wait. Make your vanity Insta-worthy today. Click the link, grab yours, and get organized. Join thousands of happy, organized beauty lovers. Say goodbye to clutter, hello to style. Take the 60-second makeup organization challenge yourself. Tag us with your before and after results. Vtopmart, where beauty meets organization. Shop now, before it sells out again. Hit that link in the description and check it out.